Hey, I'm Chris Hanna. I'm a professional pilot based out of Denver, Colorado. I've been flying the CJ line of aircraft for close to 8 years now. A lot of my experience has been with professional pilots, but I've also worked with a lot of owner pilots. Most of these CJs, they really like to be in the mid-30s. And after that, you start having a trade-off between true airspeed and fuel economy, and it really depends on what your mission needs to be. In our situation today, going head-to-head with the Tamarack equipped airplane, it became obvious that we weren't going to make it nonstop with a reserve of any kind that you'd want to write home about. We were going to land with maybe 100 pounds at most, and that's not enough to feel safe with. So if we would have had the Tamarack winglets, I know we could have made it nonstop. When we started looking at how rapidly the weather was changing today, we went through probably 4 or 5 different flight plans, just trying to find out where we could go, how we could land. The biggest challenge for me was anywhere on the eastern seaboard that I was looking to land, there wasn't an IFR approved alternate within my hour around me. The whole East Coast was stocked in. And I kept thinking to myself that I would have had the ability to go to 40,000 feet, 41,000 feet. I could have just sailed right over that and at least get to Florida where the weather was nice. The winglets for this airplane it takes a really good airplane, an airplane that has been around now for almost 30 years, and it invigorates new life into it. It helps them get a point where these airplanes have value, and it really makes it a good proposition for an owner-operator to get an airplane that has a lot of life left in it and do not only avionic upgrades, but then have the active winglet modification, and you have a whole new airplane. The other airplanes that I've flown, whether it's a CJ1, 4, 3, a 2+ with winglets, or an M2, having an older original style CJ have the same capability as a lot of the newer ones will absolutely breathe life into this new livery of aircraft. So as a professional pilot, I can say that undoubtedly that the Tamarack winglets make a difference. You see it in the fuel flow, you'll see it in your operational costs, and you see it in your ability to climb up to altitudes 410, 450 and some of the other CJs. Not only ISA, but you could do it at ISA plus 10, ISA plus 15, and there's no sweat with it. The ability to climb direct to those altitudes and reap those fuel savings are incredibly valuable to a pilot like me.